Starlink Mini is finally portable, but this actually makes the product very usable. Let's talk about it. Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and give the video a comment. And we appreciate all your support here. Today's video is brought to you by Lido Radio Mounts. Folks, for the best in radio mounts, whether you're mounting a HF rig, a mobile rig, a GMRS rig, something in your vehicle, Lido Radio Mounts has a great solution for you. I've got a special discount for you. Visit LidoRadioMounts.com, or better yet, to get the best price possible, use my link down in the description. They'll give you a special discount. Appreciate Lido Radio Mounts' support of HamShackTV. So let's be honest, Starlink Mini is an incredible piece of tech, but straight out of the box, it's not very travel friendly. You've got cables, power mounts, and nowhere clean to put it. But that's where this comes in. I received an email a few days ago from a company named DAQA. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. DAQA, asking if I would review a product. So this video, or this particular device or backpack, was sent to me, and figured we'd take a look at it. You know, I purchased my Starlink Mini before the Orlando Hamcation, I should say, and I didn't have anything special to put it in. I just stuck it in the backpack, or left it in its original shipping box, which I still have here on the floor. But I've been quietly thinking about, I need a better way to store this thing, something better to do with it. So this company, DAQA, has came in at the right time. Getting ready to go to Hamvention here in a couple of weeks. And so I'll be taking my Starlink Mini with me, and looking for a good place to put my Starlink Mini. So this is it. You got a front pouch. You got another pouch up here. And my understanding is that, and this is hard, folks. This is really hard. Let me go to my overhead camera. Hard material here. Very hard material. So you just unzip this portion right here. Am I going the right way with it? I am now. Take this back right like so, right? Okay. So supposedly this is where your Mini will go. So let's try that. Here is my Mini. And yeah, it just sits right in right like so. Really, really cool and easy. I just dropped my mouse on the floor. Shame on me. So let's see if it zips up nice. Yeah. Not too terribly bad. Okay, so next you have a pouch up here. They're just calling this storage. This is where your power cord would go and that kind of thing. I don't have my power cord with me because it's in my camper, which is not here with me. I have to store it in another place. So in the meanwhile, we can take my battery, my Peak Dew battery, and stick in there. That'll certainly fit, I think. Yes, it does fit. But also in the meanwhile, I can take my power cord and the little jumper. Well, I don't think both of those are going to fit. So tell you what we're going to do. We're going to stick the battery in a different location, because this is where your long power cord should go. So we'll go ahead and stick that in there. And then, all right, so you can see this has got some extra straps on it to help secure this inside pouch. Let's open up this inside pouch and see what we've got in here. All right, so really nice space. You got a space you could throw a laptop if you wanted to. I don't need to throw a laptop for now in there, so we'll put that battery in there. And I told you guys I still have my original Starlink box, so I've got another power adapter here. I've got my regular pole mount as well as some instructions here. I don't need this box anymore. Throw it away. So I'll take this and put in there. And then I will also take the instructions and put them down in that pouch that's in there, as well as the pole mount. And there you go. This is fantastic, folks. So this backpack is actually truly built for your Starlink. So Starlink here, power adapters here. You can put your battery, laptops, and other stuff here. You've got a couple of cup holders on the sides. I don't think you really would want to put a cup in these or a water bottle or something like that, because you don't want your stuff to get wet, right? So I don't think I would do that. However, us radio operators, we might stick an HT in the side. So I like it, y'all. I like it. We're going to get a good test out of it when we go to the Dayton Hamvention here in about 2 or 3 weeks, 3 weeks or so. That's really good. You've also got, let me switch back to the overhead camera. You've also got these little straps here. So if you have a speaker mic, this is really good for a speaker mic. Just strap that thing to your shoulder. But again, extra security. You can close these little latches right here. And it's really good. So I'm going to show you, this is available via Amazon. And I'm going to show you in just a moment. Let me grab my mouse that I knocked in the floor. So let me get control of my mouse back here. I'm going to show you the page you can buy it on. Now, keep in mind the price might have changed since the recording of this video. So don't look too close at the price. But I'll show you the Amazon link, which is down in the description. It is in full disclosure, it is an affiliate link, so that you are supporting HamShackTV when you use my affiliate link here. But as of this recording, the price is $69.90. And that's the one I've got. I've got the kind of the green one here. Really nice. There's also a little clip there on the side. There's storage. So not too bad. They've got also black if you want black. Military, I'll just call it OD green. You military guys, if I'm wrong about that being OD green, let me know. Or black, you've got the two options there. But we'll take a look at the pictures. Custom fit compartment for Starlink Mini, as well as built-in foam padding that protects the Mini and protected from bumps and drops. EVA form, suspension adjustable strap. It's got a chest strap. I didn't notice that. I guess it does. Maybe that's what that is. I'm not sure. And then EVA as well. Not really sure what they're calling EVA. Get in the comments and let me know. This is water resistant design for outdoor use. I'm not saying go and throw that thing outside and leave it outside in the rain, but it is water resistant. Waterproof zipper keep. So yeah, there you go. And then there's another small form factor of it right here. Again, this is $69.90 as of this recording. So I'm pretty excited about this particular product, folks. Use my link in the description down below, and go check this thing out. If you've got a Starlink Mini, this is a great, safe way to take care of it and make sure it stays in good shape. Again, I can't thank DAQA enough for sending me this. It just came right in the right nick of time. It really did. So really appreciate their support. And you folks go check it out. Amazon.com. Use the link down in the description. We appreciate your support. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And let me know what you use to carry your Starlink in. 73, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. AA4WX. WSCB 693.